Hey, this is the lesson for December 7th. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Hope you guys are all doing well and excited to be back in school today. Um, so we are covering page 88 and 89, okay, of our real book. Um, First things first, though, I'm going to have you guys write about your weekend. So write a good solid paragraph about your weekend, the positives and the negatives of everything you did through the weekend, and then I want you to set two goals: one for outside of school and one for inside of school. Okay, so set a couple of goals, and then we'll follow up on those come Thursday. Okay, the weeks are coming and going quickly, so make sure that you're keeping on top of things. We're already 3 or 4 weeks into our trimester, so make sure that we're doing a good job and keeping on top of everything. Okay. All right. So first things first. Today we're going to talk about identify text structure. Authors of informational text often organize their ideas into causes and effects. So I hope that you guys are to the point where you can identify um, what type of reading you are doing. So for example, um, text structure. Okay, so informational text, that is something that we read that shares information with us. It's like research, or it's like a study, or it's very non-fictional. Okay, it's real. Um, it feeds us information. Okay, whereas a fictional text might be just something that, a great story that someone wrote, kind of made up. It might be, Star Wars is fictional, as much as some people might want to uh, disagree with me because they love Star Wars so much. But Star Wars is fictional. Um, uh, you know, a lot of the cartoons that my kids watch are fictional. Okay, those are for entertainment, right? Whereas informational text is something that uh, gives us key ideas, gives us real life information. Um, okay, so one thing that we need to understand and know how to do, is to identify cause and effect. Okay, so a cause is the reason something happens. An effect is what occurs as the result. Okay, Mr. Calder was driving his truck way too fast around the corner, and it was icy outside. Okay, that would be the cause. An effect of that might be that I rolled my truck, that I ran off the road, something like that, that I hit a deer around the corner because I was going too fast. Okay, cause and effect. The cause is I was going too fast. The effect is that I had an accident. Okay, a cause is the reason something happens. An effect is what occurs as a result. There can be multiple causes of an effect. Similarly, there can be multiple effects resulting from a cause. Okay, so identify causes and effects. Drought report describes the causes and effects of drought. Okay, so we read that drought report, right? Enter the missing causes and effects in the boxes below. Okay, so sometimes a region gets less precipitation. It was in paragraph 2. Okay, so when there's less precipitation, what's the effect of that? A drought results. Okay, down here they give you the effect. They want you to come up with the cause. Tens of thousands of families abandoned their ruined homes and farms and moved elsewhere. Okay, they say this is in paragraph 8. So we need to go find the cause. Okay, back in paragraph 8 on page, hold on, I'm opening the book because it's easier to open the book than it is to change the page on the computer. Paragraph 8 of, let's see here. Okay, paragraph 8 of page 86. Okay, so you're going to turn back to page 86, paragraph 8. Refugees without enough water, people may be forced to leave their homes. Okay, so you're going to find the cause of why thousands of families abandon their ruined homes. Okay, so now the cause right here in paragraph 4, okay, it's going to be on page 85. So go ahead and open your book to page 85. Okay, read paragraph 4. Okay, and see if you can find the effect of sometimes fresh water becomes contaminated. What's the effect of that? You're going to fill that in right here. Okay, now you're going to go to paragraph 7. The famine was the direct result of a severe, long-lasting drought. Okay, so this severe, long-lasting drought, what were the effects of it? Okay, all right, so cause and effect. All right, now page 89, analyze causes and effects. The author of Drought Report uses a cause and effect text structure. She uses headings, subheadings, and signal words to organize information about why droughts happen and what their effects are. Use details from Drought Report to complete the organizer below. Use headings, subheadings, and signal words to help you find 2 causes and 2 effects of drought. Okay, so cause and effect signal words. Because, since, therefore. Okay, so cause 1, people, blank. Cause 2, effect 1, effect 2. Okay, so you're going to come up with 2 causes. To complete the organizer below, use headings, subheadings, and signal words to help you find 2 causes and 2 effects. Okay, so people had to blank. All right, I'm gonna put responses here for you to get an example. People use too much water. Okay, what's an effect of that? Crops are ruined. Okay, there are low amounts of rain or snowfall. Okay, effects, people get sick and sometimes die. Okay, all right. So you guys can come up with. So you're gonna look for these. Okay, cause and effect signal words. Look for these back within the text, page 84, 85, 86, and 87. Okay, and you're going to come up with 2 causes and effects from those causes. Okay, all right. From there on, let's jump on. Let's make sure that we are doing some independent reading and also some student application. Make sure to work hard. So as I said today, the do now, I'm going to have you write your weekend and your goals, and we will go from there. Okay, guys, thanks so much. Have a great Monday.